Hello, welcome to Grow With Me. My name is Michelle, and today I have an unboxing, my last unboxing before my plant ban. So let's take a look and see. So this unboxing is from Smiles Plant House. I actually ordered this about 2 or 3 weeks ago because my plant ban started on July 4th. I have not purchased a plant since July 4th, and today is July 13th. And the box was held because of the heat, and it was just shipped out after 2 weeks hold on Friday, and today is Monday. So let's take a look and see and make sure everything is okay. I just got the box. I brought it upstairs. And let's see what we have. Let me show you the box. This is the box. Came in the post today at 12:25. I opened it so we don't waste any time. A paper fell out. So let's see what we have in here. So the first we have the invoice. Let me make sure. All right, this is the invoice of all the plants. And let me see, I should have had 12, but I think I only have 11. 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. One plant did not make it. I didn't know it didn't make it until today when I got a message from the vendor that they didn't feel comfortable sending me that plant. So the money was refunded to my account, right? I would have loved to have known that on Friday when it was shipped out. I got a little pin, a little goodie bag. And you see all the floof. Okay, let's take it out. Most of these are cuttings in water. And let's see what I have. Some of them were on the live sale and some I bought on the purge. This is the first one I've pulled out. And this is a bird of paradise. I had a bird of paradise and it declined. And I wanted to try another one because I really loved this plant. So hopefully I can keep this alive. I have 2 cuttings of this in here, just in case one didn't make it. Okay, the bird of paradise. That's plant number 1. This, I believed I got it on the purge, and this is a Hoya Emerald. Look how beautiful. Back of the leaves. This is a Emerald. And it's in water. Let me see if it's rooted. It's lightly rooted. I don't know if you can see. It is lightly rooted. Plant number 2. The third plant we have is a Verticillata tangumus. And let's see, is it rooted? This is not rooted. Oh, and it hardly has any water. Okay, I have to put some water in here. It is not rooted. at all. The Hoya tangemus. Plant number 3. Next we have the tangemus round leaves, and this is rooted. It is rooted. The tangemus round leaf. A very rooted plant. Plant number 4. This is the Bahoy Splash. Is this rooted? Very well rooted. Very well rooted. The tangemus. No, what am I saying? Tangemus is in my head. Bahoy Splash. Of course, you know the names will be on top. Beautiful plant. Plant number, what was this, 5? And next we have the Verticillata Nanjuk Pink Splash. Now this one, Pink Splash. The Verticillata Nanjuk Pink Splash. You see the pink splash? And it has the margins that get dark. And this one has more leaves. It's 3 leaves. Is this rooted? Yes, it is. It is rooted. I don't know if you can see it with the labels on it, but it is lightly rooted. Very good, nice plant. Plant number 6. Okay, plant number 7 is the Aceh spilled rice. This I'm going to have to take, let me see if it's, I don't think there's any roots in here. I have to put some water. The Aceh spilled rice. Has a growth point. Let's hope it does something. Pretty. I love this plant. Look how you can see through it. You can see the red vein on the back from the front. Look at it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can definitely see it here. Wow. Wowee. Okay. Plant number 6. And this is, I think, the bird of paradise. This is the second bird of paradise. Let me see. Yes, it is rooted. It is very well rooted too. It is rooted. The bird of paradise. I love this plant. Okay. I don't know what number that is. Was that 6? Okay. And this is a clem. You know, I love my clams. I love my clams. This is a Clemensorium Aceh. And it has slight roots. It is rooted. It's very slightly rooted. It'll stay here in this water. I'm going to add some, no, this don't need to add any more water. The Clemensorium Aceh. How beautiful. I think that's number 7. Number 8 is the Ache Dragon Egg Series. Ooh-wee. Okay, number 8. I have 11. That was number 8. Okay, this is number 9. And this is the Ache Centipedes. Look at the waviness. Ooh, look at the waviness of this plant. It's gorgeous. Look at it. The Ache Centipede. And that is the last plant in this box. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I should have one more in here. That was 10. 11. Ta-da! Okay, so I did get 11 plants. All right, so from now, today is July 13th, but I started on July 4th. I am on a plant ban. So this is until October for 90 days plant ban, not purchasing any plants. So the content you're going to get from me is not going to be any more unboxing until maybe November. So I will have other things in store for you. Let's see. We're going to see. We're going to try some new things, right? All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.